Welcome to the foundation, the word with sweets. The title of this episode is When Watchers Fell, Discipline Over Desire. Today's foundation comes from the ancient text, the first Enoch, chapter 6. It says, "And it came to pass, when the children of men had multiplied, that there were born unto them beautiful daughters, and the angels, the children of heaven, saw them and lusted after them." Let's stop right there. This is what actually happened. These weren't regular beings. These were watchers, assigned position, given authority. They had rank, they had responsibility, they had structure, but they also had eyes and desires. And instead of mastering what they felt, they let what they felt master them. Led by Samyaza, they didn't just fall individually, they made a pact. That's the dangerous part. They said, if we're going down, we all going down together. So now it's not just temptation, it's agreement and disobedience. That's how corruption multiplies, not by accident, but by alignment with the wrong code. Let's dig deeper, shall we, understand this clearly. The watchers didn't fall because they lacked power. They fell because they lacked discipline. They traded assignment for appetite. And the moment you trade what you're called to do for what you feel like doing, you step out of position. That's when chaos enters. That's when consequences start building, because power is never lost randomly. It's forfeited through decisions. Same pattern today. A man builds status, builds influence, builds structure, then loses it chasing women, chasing validation, chasing pleasure. Not because he didn't have it, but because he didn't control himself. See, the fall don't start with the action. It starts with the thought you didn't check. Then the conversation you entertained, then the boundary you moved. Next thing you know, you off code. And once you off code, everything starts collapsing. So here's the foundation. Discipline preserves dominion. Desire without structure destroys it. Stay in position, stay in control, stay aligned with your assignment, because the moment you don't, you won't just fall. You'll fall with everything attached to your name. This is the foundation. Stay sharp. Stay tuned for the next lesson.